Welcome back to the Bobcat Forever YouTube channel. This channel we do shoot all kinds of stuff, and today we're going to do a penetration test on this maple lumber. It's a little over an inch thick, and I have 13 pieces here now, which I think will be enough to stop everything we're going to shoot at. I'm going to go through a 22 mag, 32, a 380, 9mm, and 38 special, and a 357 mag, and assuming everything works out. So we'll see. First, starting with the 22 long rifle. Yeah, we'll take a look at that, see where it went. Now, it went into the first board and stayed there. Now, switched out the cylinder, put in a 22 mag cylinder, so we'll hit it with this. And we'll take a look. Now the 22 mag went in and through the first board. Went into the second board, and it's probably about halfway through the second board. Now we'll shoot the 32 and see if we can't hit over in here and still use these first two boards. Yeah, here goes the 32. Hope I don't kill my little camera up there. Well, that is not exactly where I was aiming. Well, the 32 went in and through the first board. Went into the second board and did not come out. Looks like it's at least 2/3 of the way through the second board. Next, going to shoot the 380. We'll take a look. .380 went in one, out the back, and it's probably about halfway through the second board. You can see the bullet stuck in there. So next, going to shoot the 9mm out of the Taurus 692. And we'll take a look. In and out of one, in and out of two, in and out of three, in and out of 4, and it just banged in against number 5. So it went through 4 pieces. Next, shooting the 130 grain 38 special. Now let's take a look. In and out of number 1. In and out of number 2. And here's the bullet. It just bumped up against number 3. So we'll have to replace the first 2 boards. Well, it's just a little warm. Next, shooting the 357 Magnum 125 grain through the Taurus 692. Now let's take a look. Through number 1, through number 2. Actually, there's the bullet in number 3, which is somewhat amazing. About halfway through number 3. I might do that again because I'm not sure I believe it. Now we're going to shoot the 357 again. So far I've managed not to hit my little camera. Yeah, we'll take a look again. Through 1, through 2, through 3, and here's the bullet, somewhat mushroomed, and just bounced off of number 4. Now I'm going to do a little more shooting through the maple. This time I had put together some special wood. This is maple, but it was taking a piece of maple like this, cutting it in slivers, turning it 90 degrees, and gluing it back together. So instead of shooting at the front of the grain, we're shooting at the edge of the grain. And I want to see if it makes any difference. These are only about 1 inch thick, whereas the other stuff we were shooting at was 1 1/8 or even sometimes just a hair more. So we'll start out, going to shoot a 22 mag to start with. Not going to bother shooting the 22. So we'll see what happens. Shooting the 22 mag. Well, that went through 1, and it bounced off of the second piece. Next, going to shoot the 32. Yeah, we'll take a look and see where that went. It went through the first board, just put a dent in the second board, and there you can see the rounds stuck in the back of the first board. put this same board back in here to shoot the 380. I'm going to try to shoot at the top there. The reason I'm doing this, I only have so many of those boards that I glued together. Well, I did manage to hit it up a little higher. It's fairly hard to miss when you're shooting from 6 feet. Well, the 380 went into the first board and stayed there. The next going to shoot the 9mm out of the Taurus 692. Went through the first board, through the second board, through the third board, and just bounced up against the fourth board. Yeah, I'm kind of running out of boards, so I hope I can put the 38 Special and 357 mag through the same pieces here. Next, shooting the 130 grain 38 Special. And we'll take a look here, see what the 38 Special did. Went through the first board. And actually went about less than a quarter inch into the second board and just chipped out a piece of wood. Next, shooting the 125 grain 357 mag. And let's see what the damage is. Through the first board, through the second board, and went into the third board. And it is probably about, halfway through the third board. So now, wasn't that fun? It was nice being down at the farm, and appreciate everybody being here along with me. Get a chance, we'll put a video together, and I appreciate anybody who views it. So thanks again. Nice day. Even if things were not good, you can't complain. So everyone, take care. Stay safe.